What are you guys doing here?
I was checking up on Jimmy, an old client of mine.
La Katrina wanted a rematch.
This girl from League 73 called me.
Set up.
Navarro.
Roundabout by the construction yard. I'll catch you there. Hurry up, Ty. That chopper's gonna shut you down.
Come on, come on.
At the construction yard. I got you.
Anytime now, Mac. Mac? Car's down. Mac?
Hey, ugly! Over here!
I'm back online. Getting out of here. I owe you one back.
The cops aren't playing games anymore.
You're right. We gotta bolt.
I'm headed down the spillway. Trouble won't be crazy enough to follow me, will he?
Air 7, why aren't you following that car?
No can do. Spillway's too narrow for my blade.
Shame. I'll have to call up the police chief, see if he can get someone actually qualified.
No, I can handle it, man.
That's what I thought.
Navarro!
Are you really that surprised?
She's pulling the strings, then get ready for this to get real ugly.
Copy. Subject traveling southbound through Millville.
Still switching to target vehicle.
He's on me. Plan? Anyone?
There's an overpass at the end of the drain. Meet me there.
You got it, sis. Can't take this much longer. I've gotta get to Jess.
Going for a round.
Ah! Oi, watch it! Come on, come on!
You're almost there.
Coming in hot. Jess? I'm clear. Jess?
Watch and learn, boys. Thia! There. Should give you some breathing room.
The hyperventilating count is breathing?
Meet you outside the city, and stay safe.
We're way past safe. It's like the entire goddamn force is out for blood tonight. You'd think we were criminals or something.
Yeah, we...
I mean real criminals. You kidding me? Chopper's back. At least I gave it a good beating.
Don't let it get you.
I know. One good hill'll take it out. Jesus, guys.
Now westbound on Winchester Avenue.
Hope you can take a hit.
Westbound on Winchester Avenue.
Damn it, they got Lakeside on lockdown too. I'll try to lose him in the alleys.
At least the chopper can't follow you there.
Even the gambler wouldn't bet on that.
Air 7, you're out of excuses. You will stay on that car. The house will be watching. You don't follow that car, you better find a different city to live in.
Subject is plowed through our barricades.
Copy that.
Jesus, this guy's insane.
Let me guess. He followed you into the alleyway.
But he won't get a beat on me. way. Where are you guys?
Heading south.
Same here.
New game plan. Let's meet on the 620. It's under construction, ton of equipment. Let's wreak havoc and block our escape point.
Let's do it.
How you like that? Hey, calm down!
Get ready, guys. Feels like I got half of the Silver Rock police force on me.
I'm bringing the other half.
And I got the chopper. You boys ready for some fun?
More like it. Duking it out as a crew.
If we go down together.
No way. We're getting out of here.
Fuel switching suspect vehicle.
Jess, updated plan, please.
Tunnel's coming up. It'll break line of sight with a chopper. Then we make a break for the desert.
Do not lose them or it's your head.
She's not going anywhere.
Gotta hurry. The chopper's gonna shut me down. Almost at the tunnel. I've got to lose that chopper.
Patrol, I've lost the subject.
No! Get on the other side of...
Alright, you wanna play rough?
Jess? I can't. Jess!
Okay, boys. Let's get out of here.